Hey guys, welcome to this guide, and here I'll detail how to add iOS 18 VPN to Control Center. So if you set up VPN on your iPhone under the general settings, and now you want to quickly access the VPN on your iPhone iOS 18 Control Center by swiping down like this, and then go ahead and tap the VPN. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add the iOS 18 VPN to your iPhone control center, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center, press and hold an empty space of the control center just like this, or better still, press and hold the plus icon at the top left. Now, once you press and hold that, click on Add the control. Now, you can just scroll down to Connectivity, and under Connectivity, locate VPN and add VPN. And if you couldn't find the connectivity easily, just click on Search Control, here search for VPN, then tap VPN. Once you hit the VPN will be added to your iOS 18 control center, and once you see it here, you can just click outside, then exit the page. Now, when next you want to use the VPN iPhone iOS 18, you can just come here, click on it, press and hold it. Once you feel the haptics, the iOS 18 VPN will connect to your VPN service. However, you can just customize the iOS VPN by moving it away from wherever it is, like this, and then expand it so that it can depict the VPN like this. You can see now it's now connecting. Now, once the iOS 18 VPN is connected to your VPN, then you should see the VPN working. Mark you, before you can use the iPhone VPN on your iOS 18, you need to set up the VPN manually yourself. It's that you use a third-party VPN, or you key in the VPN details on your iPhone. So you need to set up the VPN manually yourself under VPN and device management, then tap VPN, and then add your VPN configuration. It is after adding your VPN configuration that you'll be able to connect and use the VPN on your iPhone iOS 18. So that is basically how to add iOS 18 VPN to Control Center. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.